Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of POS Disable Options Advanced in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application provides granular control over POS features, allowing businesses to restrict or allow key features such as payment, discount, price edits, refunds, order removal, and customer selection for specific POS user. With dynamic access control setting, administrator can easily configure user permissions, enhancing security, accuracy, and optional efficiency in retail transactions. So, to enable these features, we will go into the POS. Under configuration, we will go into the settings. Here, in POS, select your session. I am selecting restaurant. After that, under POS interface, you will find a checkbox name Login with Employees. Here you will find two different options for basic rights and advanced right. Select employees in that. I am selecting Abigail Peterson and Anita Oliver in basic rights, and in advanced right I am selecting Beth Evans and Ellie. Now after adding employees, save it. Now we will go into the settings. Here, under user and companies, go into the users, and here in Michelle Admin, you will find a tab named Point of Sale. Here, you need to enable or you can enable whatever you want, whatever access you want to give to the Michelle Admin. Here, I am enabling all the checkbox as this is admin. After this, we will hop on to the employee module, and here you can see all the employees. I am opening Abigail Peterson. Here in the point of sale tab, you can see the checkbox. Now enable those checkbox you want to give access to Abigail Peterson. Here I am enabling numpad payments and allow customer selection. After this, we will go into the Beth Evans. And here also we will give some access to Beth Evans. Here, enable payments and numpads. Instead of payments, enable numpad and quantity. Now save it. After this, we will go into our POS dashboard. Here go into the POS module, and here open register for restaurant. In here, when you click on open register, you can see it will ask from where you want to log in. Here, I am logging as Michelle Admin. You can see we have been logged in from Michelle Admin. Now, open a table and add some products into the cart. Here, I am adding bacon burger into my cart. Here you can see you can add customer, you can select the quantity from here. You can add discount from here, price, you can remove quantity from here. Again, I am entering true quantity. You can do the payment for the orders. Here you can see after clicking on order, you can also do the payment for your order. Click on validate and you can see you can use all the features in here. Now I am going to log in from Abigail Peterson. Now we will open any one table and we will add some products to the cart. Here I have added a product to the cart, and here you can see you can update the quantity in here and also select customer. You can see, but you can't select price, discount, or you can't remove the quantity from here. After that, do the payment. Here I am doing the payment. Select card or cash, whatever you like. Here you can also change the customer if you want, and from here we will select card and click on validate. Here you can see your payment is successful. Now we will log in from Ellie and open any one table and add some product to the cart. Here you can see we haven't given any access to Ellie, so we can't click on anything in here. You can see we can't even do the payment. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.